Hello, CEO coaches. This month's Done For You bundle is your story. How to storytelling can captivate clients, influence audience, and transform your business. You guys know I've always been talking about it's important to share your story. Now you get a chance to teach and train your clients on how to tell their story as well. So let's take a deep dive inside of this month's Done For You bundle. All right. So included, you get an 18 slide presentation, a 6-page worksheet, a workbook, sales page, 4 articles, and 8 on topic graphics. So inside of the worksheet workshop content, you get the 18 slides and 16 worksheets. And this presentation is absolutely awesome in sharing with people how to tell their story. It includes a questionnaire or questions that they can ask themselves so that they can clarify what their story is so that they can use it throughout their brand or throughout their business or throughout their presentation or even on their website. So the worksheet has all the questions. I think it's like 21 questions to ask yourself about how to create your story. Then you have the expert positioning content. Y'all know I'm all about you showing up every week, offering value, and you can use these 4 pre-written articles to either use them on your blog, you can use them in a newsletter on LinkedIn, you can use this as podcast script content. You can also use it as video script content as well. So the 4 articles that are included in this done for you bundle are going to be 4 reasons why telling your story will get you clients, offline marketing plan for your business, tips for creating your unique story, and turn your story into paying clients. And so you also get the list building content. And this is going to be the Tell Your Story workbook. Now, this one is a doozy. This also breaks down the 21 questions and actually has them map it out how they can use it on all their different platforms. So you can include this workbook as part of your workshop. They get the worksheet plus the workbook, or you can sell this workbook on its own separately. Then you get the marketing content, which is my favorite. I've designed 8 social media graphics that you can use. The graphics have tips, it has quotes, it also has like fun reminders, but it also has mock ups. So if you're going to use this done for you bundle workshop, you now actually have the graphic or the flyer that you can drop your content in. So you guys know if you watch my video about the training about workshops, if not, just let me know and I send it to you. But anywho, it's a great way to showcase what your course actually looks like. Okay. And then you also get the sales copy to help you sell the course as well. So that's it. That is this month's Done For You bundle on your story, how storytelling can captivate clients, influence audience, and transform your business. Y'all, I'm so excited about this bundle and I cannot wait to see how you use it. All right, you guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later.